Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the allure of immortality. The idea of transcending the boundaries of mortality and being able to live forever has been a source of enduring fascination. This intrigue has woven itself into the fabric of our myths and legends, painting pictures of heroes and gods blessed with eternal life. But it's not confined to the realm of fantasy. The quest for immortality has also fueled a myriad of scientific inquiries, sparking curiosity and innovation in equal measure. We've sought to understand the mysteries of life and death, to extend our lifespan, and to enhance the quality of our years. This pursuit has opened up a myriad of avenues. Some are grounded in the rigors of science, while others take a more philosophical or spiritual approach. In our quest for enduring life, we've taken diverse paths, from scientific advancements to philosophical and spiritual approaches. Modern science has transformed the quest for immortality into a pursuit of extended lifespan and enhanced quality of life. This quest has birthed fascinating research areas that are redefining our understanding of aging and potentially our future. Let's delve into a few of these scientific advancements. First, we have telomere lengthening. Telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, naturally shorten as we age. This process is linked to aging and age-related diseases. Researchers, however, are investigating ways to extend telomere length, potentially slowing down the aging process. Imagine a world where getting older doesn't necessarily mean getting sicker. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? Next, we have genetic engineering. With breakthrough technologies such as CRISPR-Cas9, scientists are now able to edit genes with unprecedented precision. This technology opens the door to modifying genes associated with aging and age-related diseases. By tweaking these genetic factors, we might extend human life beyond what we currently deem possible. Last, but certainly not least, we have senescence reversal. Senescence refers to the process of cell aging and death. It's a natural part of life, but it's also a major contributor to aging and disease. By targeting senescence, scientists hope to rejuvenate aging tissues and extend life. Imagine rejuvenating your cells like giving your body a fresh start. It's like hitting the reset button on aging. These scientific pursuits hold the promise of extending human life, bringing us a step closer to the elusive dream of immortality. Of course, these are complex fields of study, and significant challenges remain, but the potential rewards are immense. Just imagine a world where aging could be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. It's a world where the wisdom of age could truly be a gift, unmarred by the physical constraints we associate with growing old. As we stand on the brink of these scientific frontiers, we can't help but wonder, what does the future hold? As we continue to explore these paths, we may find that the quest for immortality leads us not only to longer lives, but also to a deeper understanding of what it means to live. An unconventional method of pursuing immortality is cryonics, the deep freezing of our physical selves. Imagine being frozen at the brink of death, preserved in a state of suspended animation, only to be revived in a future where medical advancements have conquered the ailment that once threatened your life. This is the premise of cryonics, a field that straddles the boundary between science fiction and speculative science. The process involves lowering the body's temperature to an extreme degree shortly after death, halting all biological functions and preserving the body until future technologies might be capable of reviving it. The goal isn't just revival, but a second chance at life with the hope of curing whatever caused death in the first place. Cryonics is a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless desire to transcend our natural lifespans. While still in the realm of speculation, cryonics represents the extreme lengths humans are willing to go in the quest for immortality. The convergence of artificial intelligence and neuroscience has given rise to a new concept of immortality: mind uploading. It's a tantalizing notion that hails straight from the realms of science fiction, yet it's increasingly becoming a serious field of research and discussion. Mind uploading, also known as whole brain emulation, is the hypothetical process of scanning and mapping a biological brain in detail and copying its state into a computer system or another computational device. The computer would then run a simulation model so faithful to the original that it would behave in essentially the same way as the original brain, or for all intents and purposes, be the brain. The implications of such a process are vast. If our consciousness could be separated from our physical bodies and transferred into a digital format, it might be possible to achieve a form of digital immortality. Our thoughts, memories, and personality could continue to exist and evolve long after our physical bodies have turned to dust. This concept could redefine our understanding of life and death. Death, as we know it, might cease to exist. Instead, there could be a transition from a biological existence to a digital one. We could potentially exist indefinitely within the digital realm or until the end of the universe, whichever comes first. However, mind uploading is not without its challenges and controversies. There are profound technical issues to overcome, not least of which is the incredible complexity of the human brain. There are also philosophical and ethical questions to consider. What does it mean to be human if our minds can exist independently of our bodies? Is a copy of a mind the same as the original? While still a futuristic concept, digital immortality represents a bold new direction in our quest for eternal life. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unending desire to transcend the limitations of our mortal coil. It's a journey into the unknown, a journey that might one day lead us to the digital Elysium. Throughout history, humans have sought immortality not just through physical means, but also through spiritual and philosophical practices. They've turned to inward journeys, ancient wisdom, and the mysteries of the cosmos to unlock the secrets of eternal life. In many Eastern philosophies, yoga and meditation have been perceived as gateways to transcendence. These practices are not merely physical exercises, but profound spiritual disciplines. They aim to dissolve the boundaries of the self, merging the individual with the universal. Thus, they offer a form of immortality, not in the physical sense, but in the perception of the self as part of an eternal, unchanging reality. The ancient practice of alchemy, too, was a quest for immortality. Often misunderstood as mere attempts to transmute base metals into gold, alchemy was, in fact, a spiritual pursuit. At its core, it sought the philosopher's stone, a mythical substance purported to grant eternal life and enlightenment. This mystical stone symbolized the alchemist's spiritual transformation, embodying the journey from mortality to immortality. Legend has it that cultures around the globe had myths about an elixir of life, a magical potion that could bestow eternal youth or even immortality. While the ingredients and methods to create this elixir varied from culture to culture, the universal desire it reflected was the same: the yearning to overcome the limitations of human life. These ancient practices remind us that the quest for immortality is not just about extending physical life, but also about enriching our spiritual and philosophical understanding of existence. They challenge us to redefine immortality, not as an endless extension of chronological time, but as a timeless state of being. They urge us to seek not just more years to our life, but more life to our years, more depth to our experiences, and more consciousness in our moments. The quest for immortality is not without its future implications. As we dare to push the boundaries of life extension, we inevitably stumble upon a labyrinth of complex questions and challenges. Imagine a world where immortality isn't just a fanciful notion, but a tangible reality. The first question that comes to mind is, what would this mean for our planet's already strained resources? Overpopulation, a concern today, could spiral into an unprecedented crisis. Living forever or for an extended period would mean more mouths to feed, more space needed, and a heightened strain on our planet's resources. As we grapple with the environmental repercussions of our current population, the quest for immortality adds another layer of complexity. Then there's the issue of inequality. If immortality or extended life becomes a reality, who gets access? Will it be a privilege of the wealthy, further widening the gap between the haves and the have-nots? The potential for a new form of inequality, one based on longevity, looms large on the horizon. The quest for immortality also raises profound philosophical and ethical questions. What does it mean to be human if we no longer have a natural lifespan? If we could live indefinitely, would we still cherish each moment with the same intensity? Death, in many ways, gives life its urgency, its zest. Without it, would we fall into a complacency, robbed of the very essence that makes life so incredibly precious? And yet, despite these questions and potential challenges, the quest for immortality persists. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless desire to understand and transcend our own limitations. But as we continue this quest, we must also remember to tread thoughtfully, balancing our pursuit of life extension with the profound implications it presents. As we continue to push the boundaries of life extension, we must also grapple with the profound implications of our quest for immortality. In our pursuit of immortality, we stand on the brink of incredible scientific advancements, but also at the precipice of profound ethical dilemmas. As each new discovery takes us one step closer to cracking the code of life extension, we must also take a step back. It's essential to consider the wider societal, environmental, and philosophical implications. Our quest for immortality isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a deeply human one. It reflects our innate desire to push beyond our limits, to explore the uncharted territories of our existence. But it's a delicate balancing act, one that requires us to be both bold in our pursuit and cautious in our implementation. As we venture further down this path, we must ensure that our pursuit of immortality doesn't compromise the very essence of our humanity. We must strive for a future where life extension benefits all, not just a privileged few. And importantly, we must remember that while we might one day conquer aging, we must never lose sight of the value of each precious fleeting moment. The quest for immortality is an exciting, complex, and challenging journey, one that's filled with hope, caution, and an endless array of questions. And as we continue to navigate this uncharted territory, we invite you to join us, to engage with us, to question, to ponder, and to dream. Because the quest for immortality isn't just about living forever, it's about living thoughtfully, ethically, and with a deep appreciation for the precious gift of life. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. We look forward to exploring the future together. Voiceover. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your thoughts, your questions, your curiosity fuels our quest. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content on life's most fascinating mysteries.